The question was about the plane crash. Unfortunately, we didn't get any answer from Russian officials about that, though it's already 7 months have passed. For us, everything is clear. We know what happened, and we can prove it. And we know that Russian officials knows what happened. Our requests or demands are absolutely natural to admit this accident as a guilt, to punish those who shut down our plane, and to pay compensation to the families of victims, to those who've been wounded, and to Azal to compensate the loss of plane. Fortunately, the pilots, they demonstrated a bravery and courage and professionalism. They managed to land the plane, so we didn't lose it. And as soon as we sent a team to Aktau to look what happened, they immediately reported and filmed that the plane fuselage was full of holes. There have been 2 persons inside the plane who was injured by shrapnel. Idea that it was Ukrainian drone which possibly hit the plane is absolutely ridiculous. There have been 2 attacks on the plane. So can you imagine, Ukrainian drone is coming, targeting Azerbaijani plane, hits it, then falls down, and then once again. So this is the story for the kindergarten. We know what happened. Plus, the airspace of Russia was not shut down. Airspace was shut down several minutes after the plane was hit. So all that is clear as today's sky. But for 7 months, we have no answer. Our general prosecutor regularly sends a letter to the head of Russian investigation committee, but all the letters are answered that investigation continues. So we will wait when investigation ends, but I think that it is counterproductive to behave like that. It will not lead that we forget it. We will not forget it. We are now preparing, and we informed the Russian side that we are preparing the portfolio to apply to international judicial system with respect to that.